Safe, my boy. And be back before 5, you heard? Oh, shit, they shooting. Damn, they got a switch. Run! I'm getting chased by a grizzly bear. Somebody call 911. But not for me, though. Yeah. Where your mom at?
And it lasted all the way to 1865, gang. And it's barely abolished. It's still going on to this day. Come on, bro. You know how lucky you are to be a horse?
I'm sorry, buddy, but it's all I have. If everybody donates $1 a day, you can help me feed Coco the stray. In the arms of...
Yo, Coco, you good, gang? I thought you already knew you was a dog, bro.
Oh, I did not tell you was brown.